Okay, so here we have the Batman 2022 movie toys right here. Comes with a Batman. This is the Batman and Batcycle. Comes with a Batman, which is super cool. It's got the black with a little bit of silver right there. He's got all his holster and his bat belt and everything. It also comes with this cape, which is also like a flight suit. So if he expands his arms, he's kind of like a wingsuit. So you can take these parts right here, attach it to his ankles, attach it to his wrists, and all he does is spread his wings and he can fly. Okay. Also comes with batarangs, 2 small plastic batarangs, and his grappling hook, which will attach right here in his hand. Okay. So that's pretty cool. And then he comes with the Batcycle. His Batcycle has the plastic wheels and then also has like some mud and dirt on them, kind of like a light up headlight. Also has a removable, or not removable, it pops out type of kickstand. So you can flip that up when you're trying to drive around for play, so that's kind of cool. But let's put him on here. Take this grip out, and his hands just kind of slide right on the handlebars, just like so. There we go. Might have to take loose his wingsuit on his ankles. Okay, and his legs, his knees do bend, and his arms and everything articulates very well. So there you go. That's what he looks like when he's driving the motorcycle, the Batcycle, around. But pretty cool collectible to get from the movie that just came out. So anyway, check this out. Highly recommend. This is a great toy, great figures, along with the batarangs and this grappling hook as well. So definitely check it out.